In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out like YouTuber MrBeast in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Okay, so to get started, you want to locate the clips under your project file bin that you want to use. In this example, or in this case, I have two video clips that are cut up into 4 different segments. Notice that this is the video that MrBeast has. As you can see, MrBeast zooms in, zooms out, zooms out, zooms out, and zooms, and even has a rotate effect. Now in order to achieve this, first go to your clip and click on the clip on the timeline, and then click under Effects Control, and click the up arrow on the timeline to go to the beginning of the clip, and then you want to click Position and Scale in Effects Control so that this is color blue. And if you want to zoom in at the end of the video, go to the end of the video, or click down on the arrow key, and then click left. So it goes to the very end, and it goes 1 frame. And then go under to Effect Control and click Motion, and move this to the right, click Motion, and then click under the video program. Now as you can see, it's zooming in. If you want a more fast zoom in effect, then what you can do is click under here, under the Effects Control, and then click Control A and click X or backspace to delete. Click Position and Scale, which is still turned on. Instead, moving 5 frames, click on the timeline and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or using your right arrow key, click on the clip and go back to Effect Controls and then scale this in. Let's say 150, click the down arrow and then the left arrow key to go to the end of the clip, and then scale this. So now we have an effect like this. The same thing can be applied on this video clip. If you want to zoom out, click on the video clip, click on Position and Scale. Make sure that this is color blue because we have color blue right here. Click the down arrow and click the left arrow key to go to the end of the video clip. But in this case, we want to zoom out of the beginning of the clip that we zoomed in. And at the end of the clip, it's zooming out. So this is the before. And this is the after. Now on this video clip where the roller coaster is going down, we can apply the zoom in and rotate effect. Now go under to Effects Control and click Motion. Make sure everything is checked, Position, Scale, and then Rotation for this effect to work the best. You want to make sure that the video is already zoomed in, because when we click the rotation and we move it to the left or the right, notice how it moves accordingly. So I'm going to zoom this into 130. And we have a -9 rotation effect. We go to the end of the video clip and then go to the left and then make this -20. And then we're going to zoom in a little bit more, and this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching this free tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, drop this video a like, share the video,